In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, indicator on TradingView. If you're looking to tailor your chart to better suit your trading strategy, adjusting the RSI can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, open up TradingView and load up the chart for the market you wish to analyze. This could be stocks, crypto, Forex, or any other market you're interested in. Navigating TradingView can be quite straightforward, and having your chart open and ready is the initial step in making any technical analysis adjustments you might need. Next, you're going to access the indicator menu. This is where all the magic happens in terms of technical indicators. Simply click on the Indicators button, which is conveniently located at the top of your chart. You'll find this menu packed with options and built-in indicators that you can add to your analysis. Once you're in the indicator menu, type RSI into the search bar. The search feature here is super handy for quickly pulling up what you need. From the list of options that appears, select the Relative Strength Index indicator. By clicking it, you'll add it directly to your chart, ready to be customized to your liking. Now, let's make this RSI work for your specific strategy. Hover your mouse over the title of the RSI indicator on your chart. To the right of the indicator's name, you should see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open the settings for the RSI. This is where you can make all the tailored adjustments you need. First, you might want to adjust the length. This is essentially the look-back period for the RSI calculation, typically set to a default value like 14. You can modify this numeric value to either increase or decrease the sensitivity of the RSI to align with your trading strategies. Then take a look at the source field. This choice lets you determine the specific data points used in the RSI calculation, such as the closing price, which is the standard, opening high or low prices. Different data sources can give you varied perspectives based on past price movements. Lastly, the Style tab offers you options to change the visual appearance of the RSI line. You can adjust things like the color, line thickness, and even the background. Tailoring this can help the RSI stand out more on your chart, making it easier to read at a glance during your analysis. With all your customizations in place, go ahead and close the settings window. Your indicators will update immediately, reflecting all the changes you've just made. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the RSI indicator on TradingView to suit your unique trading needs.